It's gonna be a great day indeed. Thank you, Lord. Sobrang lungkot mo. You felt offended already and then hindi mo ma-voice out kung ano yung nararamdaman mo. Something na ginawa mo naman yung best mo. You also give kung ano yung gusto nila. And then sometimes pa nga, yung beyond pa dun sa ina-expect nila. Kasi they thought that you can't. They thought that you are not capable. And also, that's the thing that ina-absorb na ng puso at isipan mo, and now you are lingering on that words inside of you at tinanggap mo na lang. Let me say that it's the attack of the enemy. The enemy is go merry-go-round around your world just to see and to strike on your weaknesses. Your weaknesses is his battle for you to win your heart, to win your soul. So, magpapatalo ka ba sa ganitong klaseng laro ng enemy? Always be mindful that our good God is created you wonderfully and fearfully. It was says in Psalms 139. Even in Genesis 17, He says that He made you wonderful according dun sa kanyang wangis. So, bakit ka magpapatalo sa ganitong laro ng enemy if you have this great, amazing Father, 'di ba? Who always available and who always want kung ano yung makapagpapasaya ng puso mo, kung ano yung makapagpapasaya or makapagbibigay ng sobrang laking ngiti para sa iyo. Our good God always want the best for you. Remember, He died on that tree just for you to experience yung life na meron ka ngayon. And then, sasayangin mo lang ba just to think of those lies in your heart or in your mind right now? Hey, shake it off. That enemy is, wag nating hayaang mag-win na lang ng ganun-ganun na lang. Pahirapan mo, 'di ba? Labanan mo. God is amazing. Always acknowledge our good God presence over your life, in your daily life, and be amazed kung paano mo na nga ma-overcome ang ganitong klaseng enemy. God is so powerful. Always oath of prayer and talk to Him. He is always available. Be a blessing and continue to be a great and amazing servant of God.